Hi, Shoebox friends. Today I am doing something that I didn't do last year and kind of wish that I had. So if you pack more than a few Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes, this might save you hours. So I'm going to put a little bit more work in the short term right now, but I think this will definitely be helpful in the long run. I'm basically prepping items that I put in every shoebox, which is namely my school supply pouches and my hygiene packs. So let's get prepping ahead of time to make the packing easier in 2026. So I'm going to start with the school supplies today, and most of these items I ordered off of Amazon. One of the things I like with school supply pouches is that I like to fill them so they're fairly flat. I don't include all of the school supplies in the pouches. For instance, if I add a glue stick, I will pack that separately because usually just as I'm packing my boxes really full, it's easier for me to have flatter items in the pouches, and then I'll stick the other items that might be a little more bulky in different spots in the shoe boxes. So this won't be all of the school supplies that will be going into the shoe boxes, but it'll be the basic items that can lay fairly flat within the shoe box as I'm packing. So I have the pouch here to start with, and it comes in a variety of colors. And then, of course, you need pencils. So a lot of the plain pencils here, the number 2 ones, came from Target. These were 99 cents for a 24 pack when I purchased them. I believe the price has gone up a little bit since then, but that's a great price for a basic number 2 pencil. I also found a good price on these pre-sharpened fruit design, and this one actually is a chocolate bar. You can see that. And they're just a fun, colorful pencil. These were on Amazon as well, so I have quite a few of those styles. I have some blue Bic pens that I'll be adding in. And I ordered these scissors off of Amazon. They come in a bunch of different colors, and I've used these previously. They have the centimeter ruler here on the blade. And I also still have some Ticonderoga pencils. These were on sale a few months ago, and they come in really nice pastel colors. So this is just a great brand of pencil. My kids love Ticonderoga for school, so I'm going to include one of these in each of the pouches as well. Of course, a sharpener for the pencils. I have these little round sharpeners. You can get them on Amazon. And I also picked up some highlighters. I thought that would be a fun addition to the school supply packs for the kids to have a highlighter. I have some of the cap erasers that I'll be adding in. I have little smiley face stickers. I cut them into sets of 5. So I do have some fun items as well. Another fun item are these fidget pop keychains. They come in different shapes and colors. They're small, but they're just a fun little extra toy that the child can fidget with. And slap bracelets are always fun for the kids. I was able to get these nice Christmas styles on a good discount. So each of the pencil pouches will be getting a Christmas slap bracelet. Some of my boxes will be getting these really adorable notepads. These are on Oriental Trading right now. They're $3.48 for a 24 pack. And they come with a polar bear, penguin, a walrus. They're just a cute little extra notepad with paper. I don't have enough for all of the pouches, but the ones that don't get the little notebooks, I do have some fun Astro Bright paper here that I cut to size to fit in the pouches, and I'll be giving them some paper so they can craft with or put their stickers on it or whatever they want to do. I also have this box here of fun erasers, different animals. There's a little bear and a horse. So just a variety of different animals that I'll be putting in the pouches too. And here's one that I already kind of put together. You can see it lays nice and flat. And this one, I kind of went with a green theme, but it has the penguin notebook, green scissors, a green dinosaur eraser, a poppet, green sharpener, highlighter, some cap erasers. I have a variety of pencils here and a pen, and then the Christmas slap bracelet. So I'm going to start, and I have 150 of the pouches So I'd like to see if I can get those all done today and then move on to the hygiene items. Here are the first few that I've done, and I've just been putting them in this box for now, but I like how flat they are. You can see they're stacking really nicely. So these will just be great to have on hand and to be able to just grab them when I'm packing boxes. And I'll also have these for my packing parties in the fall, so they'll just be ready to go ahead of time, and I can just get them out when it's time for packing. Okay, I'll be honest, this process took a lot longer than I was expecting. I thought I could knock this out in a couple of hours, but I was wrong. It ended up taking several hours, and I eventually recruited the help of my wonderful daughter to finish the job. After a lot of prepping, we put together 141 pencil pouches, and I'm really glad that they are all done, and it will be nice in the upcoming year just to be able to grab them as I'm packing. All right, I have all of my pencil packs over here on this half of the table, and I'm going to pivot over here and get out my hygiene pack items and see if I can get all of them done in a little bit quicker of a process. So here are the items I'm using for my hygiene packs. I'm starting with these resealable 4x9-inch zip bags. They're really durable and nice, much better quality than the cellophane self-sealing bags I used last year. I like these because a child could reuse them to store their toothbrush and other hygiene items to keep everything more sanitary if they'd like. Next, I ordered these clear combs from Amazon. They're all individually wrapped, and I really like that the clear color is gender neutral. All of my hygiene packs will also be getting a cross necklace inside. I had some leftovers from last year that are more translucent, and then I ordered these more opaque pastel colored ones this year. They were a little less expensive, and I thought they would match some of the other items in the packs better. I have some soft washcloths here that I'll be including. These ones are very soft, and I actually thought the ones I recently ordered were the same kind, but they're not quite as thick and fluffy. They're still nice, just not my favorite, although I do like the two-sided colors. For nails, I'm including either nail clippers or nail files in the kits. And one item I absolutely love are these wallet-size bohemian-style scripture cards from Amazon. They really ended up making the kits look so nice and added a special, meaningful touch to the hygiene packs. I'm also adding in chapstick, and this was a very recent find during Walmart's 75% off Christmas clearance. I was so excited to find these 8 packs of candy or chocolate-scented chapsticks for just $1.25 each. And finally, I have toothbrushes from Walmart. These are my go-to toothbrushes every year. The Dr. Fresh pack has 5 smaller kid-sized toothbrushes for $1, and the Equate pack has 6 adult-sized toothbrushes for $1 also. I love these new colors too. They're going to match the scripture cards and washcloths really nicely. So these are all the basic hygiene items I'll be including in my shoe boxes this year. And this is a pack I put together as a little test run. I think it turned out really nice in terms of presentation, and I used a little smiley face sticker on the back to hold down the extra plastic space at the top. I'm really happy with the size of these packs, and I'm really excited how these and the school packs are packing together. They're both nice and flat, which is exactly what I was hoping for with these essentials. After spending a few minutes taking everything out of the packaging, I'm just about ready to start assembling these packs en masse. Here's one of the younger children's packs, and honestly, I just love how these are turning out. Thankfully, my daughter is back again, willing and ready to help. I'm so grateful for her. I love her cheerfulness. And fun fact, she's turning sweet 16 this week. So make sure to wish her a happy birthday in the comments. My 11-year-old son also jumped in and helped me pick out each item for the packs. So it truly turned into a family affair. Got those ones? So here's the fruit of 2 days of our labor this week. We have 141 school packs and 161 hygiene kits for a total of 302 packs ready to bless children around the world. I'm planning to pack about 90 shoeboxes in the fall with my packing party. The rest of these packs will mostly go toward my individual and themed boxes that I pack throughout the year, and any leftovers will be used for outside groups, packing parties, or as filler. I'm planning to use the school packs with the smaller notebooks for my 40 packing party boxes for the 2 to 4-year-olds, and I've also pulled aside another 50 school packs for my 10 to 14-year-olds. So I have 90 school packs in total in this tote right here, ready to go into the storage until the packing party in the fall. The rest of the school packs I'll keep in this bin for easy access as I'm packing throughout the year. And here we go, it's definitely overflowing right now, but I know I'll go through these fairly quickly. I also laid out the exact number of hygiene kits I'll need for my 90 packing party shoeboxes and placed the remaining kits into another bin for easy access. Here's my tote of 90 hygiene kits, and this will stay with the school packs in my packing party storage area under the stairs. All of my extra packs are within reach on my bookshelf and ready to be packed into shoeboxes throughout the year. I really hope this video was helpful and encouraging for you. Do you prep your essential items ahead of time, or do you wait until packing season? I'd love to hear more about how you prep for packing. Make sure to share in the comments below. And if you're enjoying Operation Christmas Child content like this, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future packing videos. Thanks so much for watching. Happy packing and happy prepping. Bye.